And right now, we are going to move this way because the executive team is going to make their way up to the Bell Podium and close out the U.S. equity markets. I am now joined with Chuck Adkins. He is actually, why don't you introduce yourself and tell our viewers what you do here at the NYSE?
Sure. Hi, I'm Chuck Adkins. I'm the CIO here at the New York Stock Exchange. Here I'm running the innovation program across all of ICE and the portfolio companies, and also working with the New York Stock Exchange for our technology and to make sure that we're meeting and exposed to the very best that there is out there in the world.
Amazing. And you were an integral role in the hackathon. Tell us about your role in the hackathon, why it was so significant that NYSE was a partner to it.
Yeah, the hackathon, this is the first year that we've done an AI hackathon, and it was amazing. So we partnered with Cohere. They're an LLM company. They were amazing to work with. So we really focused on an enterprise hackathon. I thought it was really important that we were able to work with teams to build something that was going to be real in the world and that we could actually use in enterprises in AI. It was an amazing event, and we saw some real world stuff come out of it. We had the 3 top finalists had real projects that they could take back to their companies and they could create real products with. The winner had an airflow error application, and they are actually looking to productize it right now. That's Astronomer.
And what are the biggest trends right now that you're seeing in the AI tech space, especially as the landscape is rapidly changing?
So what we're really seeing right now is a lot of automation and helping people do things more quickly and to take away the mundane, routine things that they have to do so they can focus on tasks that are more important and more interesting. I see this as a way to really improve not only worker productivity, but it's also a way to improve employee satisfaction. So if you're constantly working on something where you're doing the same task over and over again, if we can use AI to make that more effective and more efficient and allow employees and workers to concentrate on something that's more interesting to them and a higher value to the company, that's a real win.
Yeah, but it's a rapidly changing landscape, right? So from where you sit, what advice would you have for other entrepreneurs or CEOs that are trying to implement AI into their bottom line?
I think it's really tough right now because exactly like you said, things are changing and moving so quickly. I think what's important is to find a problem that you have in your company. You're a CEO, you're a CIO. You need to look at what is happening in your company, where you have a need today that you think you can bring in a piece of technology to improve the efficiency of it and to lower your costs in doing it. That's something that you're probably going to have some success with AI.
And I want to talk about tech, right? Well, we have the Tech Summit coming up in May. That's going to be very important to you. Tell us about what it is, why it's significant that the NYSE is partaking in this event.
So the Tech Summit is going to be in San Francisco. This is the first time that we've done one in our San Francisco office. It's going to be an amazing opportunity for us to work with our listed companies, our technology leaders that are out on the West Coast, and have an opportunity for them to share their views, discuss amongst themselves, and provide thought leadership to that community. It's really important that we as the New York Stock Exchange provide a forum and an avenue that we can help our technology leaders share their thoughts and help push things forward together as a community. It's going to be an all-day event where the first part of the day will be focused on our listed companies, the tech leaders from there, and then the second half of the day we'll be working with prospects and new companies, bringing in CEO founders, but we'll still be focusing on technology. This is an event where we're going to be discussing technology, what's working and what's not working, how do we improve it, and how do we work better together.
Better together, I love that. Well, on that note, we're going to end it. Thank you so much, Chuck, for joining me.
Thank you.